When you sign up with me and you sign up with Smart Credit, this is what you need to do. You log on and it takes you here, right? You could play around with this. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've never seen it before. It's not that I've never seen it. I don't use it. This doesn't affect me at all. It doesn't help me. What you need to do is go to the menu side, click on 3B. 3B, as I told you guys earlier, is short for three bureaus, the three credit bureaus. So it would be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, and these are his credit scores. Yeah, right. Again, I'm not worried about the score. He's trying to purchase a vehicle. Okay. So you guys come to me like, oh, I know my credit is bad. You can't do anything. Let me tell you, I'm a beast at what I do. I don't talk about a lot of stuff. Okay. I don't brag about a lot of things. But one thing I can say is I'm really good at credit repair. I can get anything off of a credit report. You got to have patience. You got to be realistic. Let me blow myself up. You got to have patience. You got to be realistic with your time. If you got a whole bunch of evictions and 4 repos and a couple of bankruptcies, that's going to take a little bit of elbow grease. I can get it off, but be realistic. That's all I'm saying. But anyway, let me get back to this. You guys are always telling me that you think you know that you have a messed up credit report. I will be honest with you. Actually, I like to switch it. Let me switch the view. And I'm going to zip back past this personal information. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. I look at credit reports all the time. You guys don't, your credit report is not as bad as you think it is. Trust me. Trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me. I've come across in my whole credit career of 6 years, right? Honestly, I can name on one hand really bad credit reports. I'm going to be honest with you. This isn't extremely bad. I've seen worse, but I wanted to give you an example, a visual of what a bad credit report looks like. This is bad, and let me explain to you why. So I've broken this down to you guys before, whether you're looking at a smart credit report, whether you're looking at Credit Karma, whether you're looking at FICO, My FICO, whatever. Anytime you see colors, a bunch of different colors on your credit report, that's a problem. That's the easiest way I can explain it. Use your chart color. It's literally the same no matter what credit report you're looking at. So if it's blank, it's unknown. Hey, if you don't know, I don't know, and I'm not going to tell you. So that's safe. We'll call that safe. Anything green is good. Good money. Think green money. Good. Okay. Once you start getting into the colors, that's when you know you have a problem. So I'm trying to show you and give you a visual with the colors to make it simple, because look it, you don't have to be a credit repair expert to know how to look at a credit report and understand that there's a problem and identify that what the problem is.